Vicasol is an agricultural cooperative located in Vicar Council in the province of Almería. The company's goal is to plan and organize our member growers' production to adequately meet the requirements and specifications demanded by the European markets and their consumers. We aim to sell our members' produce and achieve them the maximum economic performance. Vicasol was founded in 1979 thanks to the willingness of a group of growers in Vicar in order to sell their horticultural products outside the local market. Initially, Vicasol was created as an agricultural transformation society, afterwards constituted as Andalusian Cooperative Society. Right from the start, we had one clear philosophy: a job well done, putting the trust on quality and growing the produce demanded by our customers. Since Spain's entry into the European Economic Community, a phase of great growth begins for the cooperative. In 1999, there was a generational change that, along with the entry of new members, we were able for the first time to exceed 500 cultivated hectares. The merger with Amerisol Cooperative in 2003 and the continuous incorporation of new growers headed us to be more than 600 member growers with over 1,300 hectares of greenhouse cultivation. After a history forged in work and cooperation, the company today still maintains the same spirit of self-improvement as their founders. The cooperative's main product is tomato, with varieties such as Long Life, Canary, Vine, Plum, Black, Cocktail, Baby Zebra Plum, Cherry Plum, and Cherry Vine Tomato. Next in importance is the pepper, California type, green, red, yellow, and orange peppers. Italian, red, and yellow peppers. We also grow Sweet Bite in colors red, yellow, and orange, as well as green, red, and yellow spicy peppers. Next in importance is the Almería cucumber, the aubergine, and the squash. In spring, we grow watermelons and melons from the following varieties: yellow, Gallia, cantaloupe, netting melon, and piel de sapo. Considering all, this season we will surpass the 180,000 tons of commercialized produce, with a turnover exceeding 160 million euros. Sales distribution share by country is as follows: Germany 20%, Spain 20%, France 12%, Holland 7%, Great Britain 7%, Russia 7%, Scandinavia 5%, Switzerland 5%, Italy 5%, other countries 12%. In Vicasol, we grow all of our produce under integrated production, using biological control methods for pest control. We optimize all our resources and we implement a sustainable environmental management with emphasis on recovery, reuse, and recycling of all materials. Our permanent aim is to minimize environmental pollution, in particular CO2 emissions to the atmosphere, using the sun as the main source of energy. Quality and environment certificates that recognize our commitment to excellence in our work are standards that certify that products are free from phytosanitary residue harmful to health and that ensure compliance with good agricultural practices, integrated production of the Andalusian government, UNE 155,000, Global Gap, Tesco Nurture. QS. Norms that ensure hygiene in the handling process, confirming the safety of food placed by Vicasol in the market. BRC, IFS. QS. The company operates under certified management systems based on the following standards. ISO 9001 applies to quality essential aspects focused on processes. ISO 14001 assuring consumers and concerned parties an environmental respect, resource optimization, and proper waste management. Vicasol shows approval to social responsibility aspects, which ensure an ethical management system in goods and services. We guarantee good practices in human rights, labor conditions, security, health and non-discrimination, among others. All these aspects are related in GRASP module in Global GAP, SEDEX membership, acceptance to United Nations Global Compact. The production process begins with the planning of the season, which consists in distributing, in accordance with commercial provision needs, the different crops that will be planted in the cooperative's surface area available. Once the crop distribution is defined, growers begin to plan their greenhouses, allocating the different possible products, always under the cooperative's technical staff assessment. When all said before is correctly defined, the grower proceeds to select the seed and takes them to the seedbed for germination and early development, obtaining a strong plant appropriate for transplant. Once the grower and the assigned technician have prepared the ground, planting takes place. The plant grows and develops under direct care from the grower and under the technical supervision. During this period, the grower and the technician work hand in hand to reach the best crop development. To carry this out, we count on an invaluable tool, our laboratory, which has the latest precision equipment to determine the exact plant fertilization needs as well as good agricultural practices control. When harvest time arrives, the technician gives the order of collecting after verifying fruit suitability. At our packing house, all growers' produce is selected by category and size. The cooperative has modern facilities where the produce is handled very carefully to ensure that consumer receives all the quality, taste and original properties of the fruits from our fields. To do this, we make sure that all our sorting lines have the state-of-the-art technology and are able to assimilate our members' production, whilst at the same time carrying out the day-to-day work with the quality demanded by our clients. Quality department staff carefully manages the production process and is able to identify at all times the origin and characteristics of the product placed in the market, thanks to the potent tracking system that has been established in the cooperative. Vicasol, a company in continuous and sustainable growth that works hard so that agriculture remains profitable in the fresh produce sector, profitable and with a future for the grower, as well as giving the consumer the possibility to enjoy all the benefits from eating fresh fruit and vegetables with the necessary health guarantees, which are the mainstay of the healthy Mediterranean diet.